Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Javed Iqbal Kokar, Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. As I'm discussing personal identity, and this is the 8th lecture of this series, and the contents of today's talk will be that I'll be discussing the age determination and what are the objectives of age determination and what is medical legal importance of age determination. So, continuing with the topic, the objectives of age determination. The age of the person has to be determined, and this is not only for his civil rights but also the criminal responsibility. The rights of the citizen, every age has characteristic rights of its age, right, like going to school, taking an employment, getting married. So these are those civil rights, casting a vote, being elected as MNA. So these are the civil rights. And likewise, there are certain criminal responsibility because every crime needs that its responsibility should be fixed. The person who is responsible, the responsibility of that crime should be fixed, and then the age will be the most important factor in determination of the criminal responsibility and uh, avoiding the punishment. So, what are the medical legal importance of age? And it is also said as the ages of medical legal importance. Starting from the intrauterine life, we'll go on to extrauterine. So, in intrauterine life, there is a pre-embryonic age between first week to third week that is called as pre-embryonic age. Then the embryonic age, which is between 4 to 8th week, and then the period of organogenesis from 8th week to 12th week. Then the quickening, which is at the 14 to 18 weeks, a sudden reflex kick of the fetus that is called as quickening. Then the age of viability at 28th week of pregnancy. Age of viability, that means that now the fetus is viable when it is when it is delivered. Then full term fetus, which is approximately the 10 lunar months. Because we have to award the punishment for various crimes in intrauterine life. So, Iskati Hamal is a law which is prevalent as Qisas and Diyat ordinance in our country, and Iskati Hamal is awarded when the abortion after the organogenesis because we have to award the punishment of the abortion, and when the abortion is made in embryonic stage it is called as iskate hamal, and when it is after the period of organogenesis then it is called as iskate jani. So these are legal terms in Qisas and Diyat ordinance in our country. Then infanticide after the age of 7 months. Now, regarding the extrauterine ages, neonate, when the child from birth to 4th week it is called as neonate. Then infant from 4th week to 1 year, and toddler 1 to 3 years. Then child 1 to 11th year, school age 4 to 5 years, adolescent 12 to 16 years. Then ages reference to criminal responsibility. Criminal responsibility because we have to fix the responsibility of a crime and awarding the punishment, so age has to be determined to fix the responsibility. Innocent. A child under 7 years of age he does not have any criminal responsibility and he is innocent. So, child under the age of 7 is innocent. Then presumption of innocence, that is, it is presumed as that of this age of the child, that between 7 to 11 the child should be innocent, but if he is physically developed enough and his mind has developed to understand the nature of the crime and the consequences of the act, then it is not presumed as innocent. So normally between 7 to 12 it is presumed as innocent unless he is physically and mentally mature enough to understand the nature of the act. Similarly, regarding the role of consent, a minor under the age of 12, his consent alone is invalid and his guardian or the parents will give the consent and he is regarded as minor. Then the major or the adult, male of 18 years of age and female of 16 years, they are responsible to make consent. Under 15 years of age, no permission to work in the factory, and under 17 years, no permission to work in mines. So these are various ages where certain works are not allowed. Then regarding kidnapping, if some person is kidnapped, the male under 14 and female under 16 years of age, then the allegation of kidnapping will be made when they are taken away. Similarly, the Hudud ordinance, Zina bil Jabr, when the female is below the 16 year of age, then Zina bil Jabr punishment will be awarded. Then for court marriage, if someone has to go for the court marriage, then the male should be above 21 years and female above 18 years. Then foreign girl import for any job or any employment or work should be above the age of 21 years. Abduction, male 18 years and female 16 years, same as kidnapping. Then for the civil rights, the major or the adult, male above 18 and female above 16 has a civil rights which can be registration of birth is from birth, that is B form for the child they are issued, and national identity card CNIC is made at the age of 18. Previously the passport was made after the age of 12 years, but now the passport is at any age right from the birth has to be made. To join a government service, the age is from 18 to 25 years, but for the doctors, when they are above 25 years normally, then for them the age has been relaxed as 18 to 35. Then the retirement age is 60 and senior post appointment should be above 25 years of age. For driving lessons, light vehicles, the age should be above 18 and for heavy vehicles it should be above 21. Then candidate of National Assembly and Provincial Assembly should be above the age of 25 years. And President of Pakistan should be above the age of 40. Then consent, valid consent for the males is 18 and female is 16. And for marriage, male is 18 years and female are 16. That previously what I told for the court marriage, that is 21 for the male and 18 for the female. Thank you very much. This was all about the ages of medical legal importance, and we'll continue the topic of personal identity in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.